guys, so today we are here with
me, Sofia.
Sofia. She's my little cousin, but I've been seeing the Turn My Little Sister Into Me challenge, and she's as close as a little sister gets. So we decided to film this challenge today, and we'll see how it goes. Do you have anything to add?
No.
Why don't you talk about yourself?
So, my name is Sofia. I'm...
In my head.
You're gonna cut that part out.
You can't even see me.
But they see me laughing. Okay, so my name is Sofia. I'm 9 years old. I really don't like school. Ashley right here is one of my best friends in the whole wide world.
You're gonna make me cry.
And yeah, that's basically my life.
How long have you wanted to be on my YouTube channel?
Oh, yeah. long time.
You're my #1 supporter. You watch all my videos?
Yes.
What's my last video on my channel?
I don't know. I stopped watching because I have no time to watch.
She has no time, and
I have no time, people. I have to do homework. Hi, people that I know. Some people there I know. You. Hi.
Who do you want to shout out?
I would like to shout out a couple of my friends, like my friend Natalie, my friend Sofia, my friend Bella, maybe some of my teachers. I don't know what they're doing, but they must watch YouTube. So my teacher, my math teacher, my reading teacher, and my science teacher, which is my also homeroom teacher. And I want to shout out to also my mom and my dad, who are probably gonna watch this video. And yeah. This is my first time on YouTube. Some more things about me. Well, my favorite color is red. I have 3. Red, green, and blue. I like those colors. And my favorite thing to do is playing with her puppies, her chihuahuas.
How many dogs do I have?
3 dogs.
So people are always saying we look like grape.
No, not really, no. got a riddle. So, there was a plane that crashed. Every single person died. Who survived? The couples.
Oh, I get it.
Okay, I got another joke for you guys. So, how do you wake up Lady Gaga? You poker face. There's another answer for that one. It's applause. But
You can keep going.
I like poker face better.
Do you have another one?
Mm-hmm.
Say it.
So, what type of car does Mickey Mouse drive?
What kind?
A minivan.
That's actually pretty funny. How do you get all these jokes?
Well, one, I just have a joke up. I had a joke up.
Look at your eyebrow. You've never seen your eyebrow go like that before.
I look pretty.
Do you like it?
Alright, another joke. Why did the kid throw a clock out the window? You might know this one.
Why?
To see time fly. I'm the newest mime.
Are you in a box?
Mime in the makeup box. Okay, mime's talking.
Yeah, mine's don't talk.
Mime! I'm the talking mime. That's how I look. And for people that do know me, please like, and subscribe. Subscribe. I don't know if there's anything much to say
Look
about
this way.
me. I mean, like, I'm a normal kid. I have 5 fingers.
Pretty normal.
Yeah. But, yeah. Alright, so
I'm gonna kill you.
nothing happened. So, right now, I'm going to make a subscriber shout out with Ashley's phone. I need to see because I don't know her subscribers. everyone here, I have some tests for you guys to do. Put in the comments
You can choose whoever you want.
your favorite color. I can find any good subscribers. So these are the two people that I know. So I know these two people. Chanel Gonzalez. Hi, wherever you are. And this is my mom. This is the final look.
What do you think? Do you think we look alike?
Yeah.
Do you think so? You don't look too convinced.
No, not really. Maybe you should put a little more gold.
On mine? Why? You don't have gold. I use the same eyeshadow.
Kind of gold. It's kind of gold. That gold. Kind of like
I used the same one.
sparkly
I
gold.
used this.
Alright, that's kind of like gold. Okay.
Okay, but first, what do you think about the video?
I think this is a great video.
Right? And, do you want to be on my channel again?
I would love to.
Okay. While you show them that, I'm gonna leave, so I'll leave her alone. But, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if we look alike, if we don't. A lot of people say we do, some people say we don't. But yeah, she's my little cousin, and I love her, and I'm so happy she's on my channel. And it was fun doing your makeup like a crazy maniac. Your parents are gonna kill me, but it's okay. I'm welcoming her to the makeup world like I was welcomed into the makeup world. Although I was older than you, I was 14 when I started doing my makeup. But it's never too early to start, right?
Never.
Alright, well, hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
This milk carton squishy is really, really squishy. So, and some people out there in the YouTube world cut their squishies. But these, no thanks. Maybe if they're really cheap, not working, disgusting squishies, but not these. This is a chocolate covered strawberry. And I love this one too, it's scented. And that's basically what I have. My squishies. And thanks for watching. Subscribe. Okay, I'm done.